Hi there, I'm Steven, and I provide exceptional quality animation videos. Wondering why animated video is the best for your business? Then allow me to explain. An animated video is a short infographic video that helps deliver a business idea in a clear, simple, and engaging way. Its power lies in its use of cool animations, appealing images, and a clear language to tell the story of a business or product. As a professional animator with undeniable experience in working with top animation companies and small businesses, I help serve my skills to deliver you with a brilliantly created video. Whether you need 2D explainer videos, whiteboard videos, or After Effects videos, I'm the best guy for you. My years of skills can certainly speak for me. I have over 3 years of freelancing experience on Fiverr and studio member eligibility. My portfolio is filled with many completed videos, and you can contact me for a custom project. With Steven Animation, it's animation at its best.